What does it take for two countries to build more than trade? Capital and technology matter, but before any investment or innovation can happen, there must be trust. Trust that contracts will be honored, trust that technology will be protected, and trust that businesses can operate under clear and stable rules. For decades, South Korea and the United States have built that trust through shared values: democracy, a market economy, and the rule of law. The Korea-US Free Trade Agreement strengthened that foundation by protecting investment and intellectual property while giving companies confidence that the rules would remain stable. Of course, allies do not always agree. Trade disputes and semiconductor export controls have created friction, but the real strength of the alliance is not the absence of disagreements. It is the confidence that when challenges arise, they can be resolved through established legal and diplomatic channels. That trust has become the foundation of technological cooperation. The United States leads in AI chip design, semiconductor equipment, and software. South Korea leads in high-performance memory and advanced semiconductor manufacturing. One designs the brain of AI, the other provides the memory that allows it to think. Instead of simply buying and selling chips, the two countries are now building a shared innovation ecosystem through joint investment, research, and manufacturing. Their partnership is expanding even further. In 2025, South Korea and the United States agreed to deepen cooperation in artificial intelligence. Together, they are conducting joint research, expanding into global markets, and developing common standards for AI safety and performance. They are no longer just creating technology. They are helping shape the rules that will define the AI era. And today, their cooperation reaches beyond Earth itself. A remarkable example is CODEX, a solar observation instrument jointly developed by the Korea Astronomy and Space Science Institute and NASA. South Korea contributed precision cameras, control systems, and software. NASA provided the telescope, space integration, and operations aboard the International Space Station. Launched into space in 2024, CODEX successfully observed how the solar wind is released from the sun, giving scientists valuable new insights into our closest star. Looking ahead, the two countries plan to expand cooperation through the Artemis lunar program, commercial lunar exploration, satellite navigation, and future space stations. The Korea-US alliance began as a partnership to defend the Korean peninsula. Today, it has become a technology alliance built on trust. From semiconductor fabs to AI laboratories, from Earth to space. South Korea and the United States are no longer simply working side by side. They are designing together, testing together, learning together. Trust built this alliance, technology strengthened it, and together they are reaching beyond Earth toward the future.